guys, we're about to head to Rainbow Mountain, Peru. (2:45 a.m. start. Let's go. We're on the way to get on the bus and it's a 3-hour drive. We just got off the bus. We're at the bottom of the trail and have a look. Look, there's the line for people getting a lift up on the motorbike. We're about to begin the hike. We're with Rainbow Mountain Tours. They are the company that gets here first. So if you want to get here first and beat all the crowds, go with Rainbow Mountain Tours. You can take a horse for $70. I've got my good hiking shoes on. The Crocs. No. The steepest bit ever. Got the best shoes for the job. We're quite lucky for it to be so clear. Made it. Here's Rainbow Mountain.
Okay guys, sexy.
We're walking to the middle point. Because apparently it's really good. Yeah, it's hard work. Walking up these stairs. How today up here at Rainbow Mountain. Oh my god guys, it's snowing so much. Oh jeez, dumping down. Guys, we made it and check it out. Montana Vinukanka, 5,036 metres above sea level. So we ascended about 400 metres, I think. Behind the clouds over there, it's so red, you can see. It's been about 3 minutes and now look at Rainbow Mountain. Okay, we're now heading on the way back. Man, my knees are loving this. Oh, we just got dropped off. About to head home. Nice early night tonight, that's for sure. Been awake for about 15 hours. Guys, we just got home from a big day out. Had to recoup some energy with the McFlurry from McDonald's. Man, I'm gonna walk upstairs and go to bed.